Toyota timing belt dilemma. This is my brand new tensioner pulley, and this is the original one. Let me show you what the problem is. This shoulder bolt holds that pulley tight to the block, not completely tight because it pivots on those two bushings there, and this tensioner gives us the point to ride. But the new Chinesium one, when you tighten this bolt down, because it is 25 thousandths too thick, this housing tightens against the block, and this bolt stops this thing from pivoting easily. So I'm gonna do what every normal person is gonna do, and we're gonna machine 25 thousandths off of this. Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. It's about 1 inch 634 thousandths. The original one is 1 inch 604 thousandths. Precision machined at home. Danny and Daniel, close your eyes.